There's no doubt that healthcare is a growing area and that regulated healthcare has basically caused a massive delay in technology advancements bringing together healthcare technology systems. EMR, or patient medical records, have basically been delayed from becoming something that every single healthcare institution can quickly access as needed, basically because of all the disparate systems that are out there. Apple's Tim Cook sees a massive opportunity in unregulated healthcare, and just recently, Apple announced the acquisition of a technology called Glimpse. Now, this acquisition didn't just happen. However, the acquisition is finally becoming public, as Apple often buys smaller technology companies and doesn't immediately roll them out to market. One of the really cool things about Glimpse is it fits really well into the Apple healthcare ecosystem, as it basically allows for patients to track and provide all of their healthcare data to caregivers so long as they aren't concerned about the regulation of those records. This really fits into what Tim Cook is saying as the opportunity he sees. The idea came when the Glimpse founder's sister went through cancer, and he saw how difficult it was to bring all the different systems together and how hard it was for her to get the kind of care that she needed, because basically the systems that are available for the medical industry aren't up to par, up to date. So it's going to be interesting to see where Apple goes with all this, as they basically are growing their healthcare practice and their play. And while this isn't maybe one of the more mainstream topics in Apple's ecosystem, it is going to be a big opportunity, as the need to tie together EMRs and healthcare and patient records becomes increasingly important, and as people become more open to sharing their data, as privacy becomes something that we have less control over, yet in some ways more control over. Perhaps a tool like what Apple purchased in Glimpse will basically allow to save some lives, to connect patients to the care they need more quickly when records are not easily and readily available. So it's going to be very interesting. I'm kind of stoked to see what happens here as Apple continues to make plays both in the mainstream but also in some areas that are a little bit more obscure but have huge potential.